Navi. Hello. Hello. How are you? Hi, pretty girl. Oh, hello. You're so cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, me and Zephir moved apartments over the weekend and we are still currently in the process of it. That's why I look kind of tired and scary and a little bit like washed out. But yeah, we're still moving things from place to place and we currently don't have any furniture moved yet because all of my furniture was in storage, so I'm having that delivered on Monday. It was the soonest I could get it because, you know, they were closed due to COVID and everything like that. We're going at the rate we can and hopefully it should all be done by like Tuesday, and then I'll have this vlog up for you. Hopefully by the time I said so on Twitter. We'll see. If it is, I did great. If it's not, then oops. You guys will not be getting a house tour. This is just a vlog. The house tour will be in my next video, along with the room tours from both Zephir and I. And yeah, just enjoy this vlog of us just goofing off and moving. Oh, we got two girls here just chilling. Zephir is currently setting up our internet right now, so. She's a huge help. Yeah, Navi's a huge help when it comes to this kind of stuff. What would we do without you, Nav? She knows. What would we do without you? I know. Zephir did go clean out her studio today too, and she brought some of these gorgeous pieces of art back with her. But we don't get to keep that one. I'm sad, but we're keeping this one and that one. And then we're also gonna do some artwork on these, which I'm super excited for. Got me some Chipotle, and no, you're not allowed to have any. Not even if you sit nicely, no. Now we're on the way back to the old apartment and we're gonna clean up. Should be fun. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Okay, we're going there now. Ignore how sweaty I look. Zephir too. We just finished, you know, getting out the big stuff of her apartment and cleaning up. Not everything, obviously. She still got, you know, the paintings up.
Grossest experience of my life.
There was so much dust and Navi hair everywhere.
And I unclogged the sink with a plunger, and I was like plunging it down, and it shot black stuff out of the other side of the sink. It was so disgusting.
Yeah, it wasn't very pretty. Basically, everything that you see here, I lost a nail and the 2 nails in the process. It's a sad day. But yeah, everything you see is coming out of the apartment. So now all we have to do is load up the car and go back to our new place. So we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, it's definitely been a process, but look, everything is empty. Empty. It looks like you're moving in, Zephir. Empty. All done. Ignore how ratchet I look again, but we are still in the move-in process. And right now, Zephir and I are putting together my bed. It's almost done. It's going to be a canopy bed, so it's gonna have those like poles across the top of it.
We built this bitch.
Yeah, we built it. No help. We don't need no man, no one. I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, you guys, so my bed is finally finished. Zephir, of course, helped. We got the poles up, and my plan with this is to put like fairy string lights around it so it lights up. My mattress is coming on Monday, so that's why I have this air mattress on it right now. I'm so happy.
We are getting our furniture today, and it's Christmas time.
Yeah. I know where to put the Christmas decorations, so it might just be Christmas in July here at Devyn and Zephir's house.
Yeah, look at all this unpacking we have. Wow, look at Devyn's bed, and look at this. Oh, wrong light. I don't know how it works, but we got these twinkle lights up in here. Bad bitch energy. We love to see it.
Yeah, ignore my pile of laundry. I've got my work cut out for me today.
It is moving time.
Officially unpacking now. So I'm almost moved in. I've just got some more laundry to do. I've got most of it put up. all my shoes. I'm not gonna show too much though because I'll save that for the room tour. But yeah, just that much to do for laundry. And then I gotta unpack the rest of these bags and set up my makeup desk. And all that stuff is to either be donated or goes on Depop, we'll see. But yeah, all done. Almost done. So Cassie came over to help me. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today as well.
Organize her everywhere.
Everywhere, yay. All right guys, we were up all night, almost all night. We were up pretty late. Like, we've got almost all of it done. This is basically just like the rest of my makeup stuff, which I haven't really organized my desk yet. Because they brought my desk upside down, so everything I had in it got destroyed. So I'll have to go through and reorganize that again. But yeah, thank you so much, Cassie. You're an angel. I love you.
I love you.
There she is. Hello, ma'am.
Nabby. Nabby tails, Nabby.
She's so curious about the kitty. Like, she goes and waits by Zephyr's door for the cat every day whenever she can. She's obsessed with him. Which is kind of weird because she's kind of skittish around other animals, but she is super relaxed around the kitty and really just wants to see him all the time and gets super jealous when she's by herself and we're all with the kitty. Isn't that right? You want to see the kitty, Nav? Do you want to go see the kitty? Kitty? Do you think that's your baby?
Probably because it's all black. She's like...
I know. He's literally all black and Navi has some like auburn color in her fur, like copper color, and so does the kitty.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, he's got like a copper brown in his black fur too. Okay everybody, hi. So if you don't already know, we have a new member of the family and this is little Ryuk. Say hello.
He's a little camera shy.
Little bit. He is so cute.
Say hi.
Come here.
Everyone loves you.
Come here. Hi there. Hello, come here. I'm missing a nail, ignore that. Come here. Hi, baby boy. So handsome. Look at those green eyes. Look, we have matching eyes, babe. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. We have matching eyeballs. Oh my goodness.
They're really the same shape.
I know. And he falls over. Do you want to go explore my floor? Oh, my shoes are a little too big for you.
The little eek.
I know. He's a cute little meow. Hey, where are you going?
He likes dark spaces.
I can tell. Oh, there he is.
He literally, he burrowed himself like in a burrito in the blanket. I could not find him. He pokes his little head out.
Oh, I'm back in the cave. Come out. I'm gonna tear that fort down. She's a small kitty in a big world. I love how he talks back.
He literally does. I'll ask him a question and he'll like respond.
I know, he's so smart. Look at his little fluffy butt. Under the bed. Nappy likes it under there too. It's a nice spot. You'll probably be under there a lot. You found Nappy's headquarters. What you... Oh, there he goes. Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello. How are you doing?
How are you?
I don't know.
He's like, no, I don't want that.
I don't want to talk to you right now. Navi, leave us alone. He's like, run away. We're going to show you the baby. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Oh, okay.
It's okay, honey. Go say hi. Go say hi. Come on. It's okay.
He's a little scared of her. Navi's just looking. He's like, no thank you. All those kicks. No thank you. Yeah, so this is how they're reacting. Navi really just wants to be around him and he's just scared because she moves a lot. He doesn't like when she's like kicking her legs and rolling over. It freaks him out a little bit, but he'll get over it.
He's very close to getting over it. It's only been a few days.
He's so little too, he hasn't really got to the play stage yet either. Good job. Good job, little guy.
have some smells? Go say hi.
Good girl, Navi. Yeah. Gentle, be nice. Be nice. Good job. Oh, my phone was away from that the whole time. Be nice, Navi. Be nice.
Okay.
Be nice. Good girl, Nav.
Give her a sniff.
Be nice.
It's okay.
He's like, no, we already did this once. It's okay. He'll be your friend soon.
I mean, he's scared of his own reflection at this point.
I know.
So.
See that she just shook her ears and he was like, And the more wiggles. And then he's like, oh, no. She's just kind of silly, baby. She's just silly. He'll be your friend, don't worry. She's like, I just want to play with him. Oh, that did not sound happy. All right, well, it was nice to see you. Good night, little buddy. He says good night. Good night. Say night-night. Ew, gross. Okay, all right. Night.
Good night from Daddy.
Yeah, it was. All right, guys. So this was pretty much my move-in vlog. Sorry, it was kind of all over the place. When are my gross? When are my vlogs not all over the place? But yeah, I'll be doing a house tour and a room tour soon. I'm gonna post the Q&A mukbang after this video, and then hopefully after that will be the room tour. I will keep you guys updated on Twitter. But yeah, guys, be sure to like this video and turn my post notifications on so you know when I post, as well as follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Navi. Say bye. Come on, say bye, Nav. Say bye, Navi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.